Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best synthetic oils to keep your engine running smooth and strong. Whether you're looking for maximum protection, top fuel efficiency, or unbeatable performance, we've got the perfect oil for you. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Royal Purple 51020 Synthetic Motor Oil. First, let's talk about the specs. This oil is API licensed and meets SAE 0W-20 standards, making it perfect for modern gasoline and diesel engines. It's specifically designed to optimize engine performance while offering top-tier protection. With Royal Purple, you get better wear protection, increased fuel efficiency, and enhanced protection for catalytic emission systems. This means a longer life for your engine and its components. Worried about ethanol in your fuel? Royal Purple improves compatibility with ethanol-containing fuels, helping your engine perform at its best no matter the mix. Corrosion? Not a problem. Royal Purple offers superior corrosion protection, safeguarding your engine in all weather conditions. What makes this oil truly special is its proprietary additive technology, combining premium base oils with advanced formulations. This creates a high-performance motor oil that doesn't just meet but exceeds industry standards. Upgrading to Royal Purple is easy. It's fully compatible with both mineral and synthetic oils, meaning no special procedures are needed. Just wait until your vehicle's first scheduled oil change, and you're good to go. Rest assured, Royal Purple meets ILSAC GF5 and DEXO's 1.1 performance requirements, delivering a level of reliability trusted by professionals and car enthusiasts alike. Whether you're chasing peak performance or ensuring your vehicle's longevity, Royal Purple 51020 Synthetic Motor Oil is a top-tier choice for your engine. Number 4. Valvoline 4-Stroke Motorcycle Synthetic Oil. This Valvoline full synthetic oil is specifically formulated for the demands of 4-stroke motorcycles. High RPMs? Extreme temperatures? Wet clutch systems? This oil handles it all. It's American-made and designed to keep your engine running smoother, longer. One of the standout features is its superior wet clutch protection. It ensures smooth shifting and maximum power transfer, so every ride feels effortless. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling winding roads, this oil keeps your clutch performing at its best. Valvoline's advanced additives are formulated to maximize power and minimize wear. It reduces stress on critical moving parts, ensuring your engine stays in top shape. Even under the toughest conditions, it resists film breakdown, protecting internal engine components. Over time, harmful deposits can rob your engine of power. But not with Valvoline. Its cleaning agents fight sludge and deposits, keeping your engine efficient. And the anti-friction formulation is specifically designed for the high temperatures and RPMs of motorcycles, giving you the performance boost you need. Valvoline doesn't just protect your engine, it also shields it from rust, corrosion, and acid buildup, which can damage internal parts over time. Additives prevent foaming and maintain optimal oil flow, so your engine stays protected ride after ride. So, why should you choose Valvoline 4-Stroke Motorcycle Synthetic Oil? With its full synthetic formula, it delivers maximum power, smooth acceleration, and outstanding protection, making it ideal for riders who demand the best. Number 3. Motul Synthetic Oil. The Motul 300V Factory Line 10W-40, the ultimate engine oil for unmatched power, protection, and reliability. Whether you're burning rubber on the track or cruising the streets, this is the oil you need. The secret behind Motul 300V's superior performance lies in its advanced ester core technology. This cutting-edge formula provides exceptional film strength and shear resistance, making it perfect for high-pressure and high-temperature conditions. It's not just an oil, it's a performance enhancer that keeps your engine running at peak horsepower while ensuring long-lasting protection. The Motul 300V Factory Line 10W-40 is specially designed for high-performance 4-stroke motorcycles. Whether your bike is air or liquid-cooled, this oil ensures it performs flawlessly under the toughest conditions like those high RPMs and extreme heat you experience during racing. This oil is built for both competitive and recreational racing environments, making it the go-to choice for enthusiasts and pros alike. Certified to meet JSO MA2 and APISN standards, the Motul 300V factory line ensures consistent performance and smooth shifts. Whether you're hitting the track or the highway, you can trust it to deliver every time. From seamless gear shifts to stable, reliable power, this oil adapts perfectly to your riding environment. For the best results, follow your motorcycle manufacturer's oil change recommendations. If you're racing, consider changing the oil after every event to ensure your engine stays in top condition. With Motul 300V factory line, you can race harder, ride longer, and protect your engine like never before. Number 2. LIQUIMOLY High-Tech SAE 5W30 Synthetic Oil. The premium solution for superior engine protection, performance, and fuel efficiency. Let's dive into what makes this oil the ultimate choice for your vehicle. First, let's break down what SAE 5W30 means. SAE stands for the Society of Automotive Engineers, who developed this standard. The 5W indicates its low temperature performance. Lower numbers mean better fluidity in cold conditions. And the 30 represents its high temperature viscosity, ensuring excellent protection and sealing under heat. What sets LIQUIMOLY apart is the special MFC chemical friction modifier included in the formula. This highly efficient organic tungsten compound reduces contact friction, fills in fine wear marks, and smooths the friction surface. The result? Reduced wear, lower friction resistance, and better fuel efficiency. Independent tests show that LIQUIMOLY Magic Gene Oil can reduce the friction coefficient by up to 15%, giving your engine longer life, smoother operation, and improved fuel economy. LIQUIMOLY 5W30 synthetic oil offers outstanding performance in both hot and cold climates. Reduced engine wear thanks to cutting-edge MFC technology. Enhanced fuel efficiency for cost-effective driving. Whether it's for daily commutes or high-performance vehicles, trust LIQUIMOLY High-Tech SAE 5W30 synthetic oil to deliver unmatched reliability and protection. Engineered for excellence, designed for you. Number 1. Factory Racing Oil 209,907 Twin Pack. First up, protection. Factory Racing Oil 209,907 is fully synthetic and formulated with premium additives to protect your engine up to 20% longer than standard synthetic oils. That means fewer oil changes up to 7,500 miles between changes without compromising performance. This oil is also specifically engineered to combat low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI, which can cause serious damage to modern engines. It's perfect for both traditional and start-stop engines, offering durability for critical components like crankshafts and rod bearings. Now, let's talk about fuel economy. Factory Racing Oil SAE 0W20 is designed for quicker flow during startup, which not only protects your engine but also improves fuel efficiency. So, whether you're cruising the highway or navigating stop-and-go traffic, you're getting maximum mileage out of every drop. When it comes to specifications, this oil has done its homework. It's API-SP resource conserving and ILSAC GF6A certified, which means it meets the highest standards for engine protection and performance. Plus, it's produced in an ISO 9001-2015 quality certified facility right here in the USA. It's also tailored to meet OEM requirements, so you can trust it will perform exactly as promised in your gasoline engine. Here's something practical handling. Unlike those bulky 5-gallon pails, the Factory Racing Oil Twin Pack features two 2.5-gallon bottles. They're easy to carry, pour, and store, making your maintenance routine that much simpler. At Factory Racing Parts, the team behind this product are gearheads just like you. They're passionate about performance and build products they trust in their own machines. That dedication shows in the quality and reliability of this oil. So, what's the verdict? Factory Racing Oil 209,907 Twin Pack offers premium engine protection, better fuel economy, and ease of use, all while meeting the highest industry standards. Whether you're a casual driver or a performance enthusiast, this oil is built to deliver. So there you have it, the 5 best synthetic oils to keep your engine running like a dream. From affordable everyday options to high-performance champions, There's something here for every driver. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive tips and reviews.